Guys, I bought my first motorcycle. Oh. Hey, what's crack-a-lackin' challengers? I am your host, James Morelan. Today I am in my messy garage, but today I'm getting my very first motorcycle. This is a 2002 Yamaha 600R. It's fast, it's nice, it's old, but it does need a little bit of elbow grease and a lot of work, and the guy is coming over in a couple minutes to give it and for me to pay it off because it is expensive. I'm basically using all my spending money on this bike. I got a great deal. I'll talk about all of that later. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video so we can talk and you can learn more about the bike and what my plans are for this channel. So he just texted me. He is on his way, so that's gonna, I'm really nervous. So yeah, the garage is really dirty. We have another car right there. I parked my own car outside and I'm gonna bring it in here. Yeah, the floor, it was done at one point, but over the years, you know. So I'm gonna set everything up and film it and talk about it. I'm super nervous. Earlier today, I went to the bank to pick up the money to pay for it. Whew, okay, here's the money. So much money. Part of me doesn't want to do this because part of me understands how much work I personally put into getting this and how many hours and how many videos I've made, how many products I've sold on eBay, how much work I've had to do in people's yards and work to like save this much money. So to some of you guys, it's like penny cash. You whip that out of your wallet in a second. But to me, this is like a lot. A couple months of good hard work and labor. But it's gonna hopefully pay off. I do need to buy a whole fairing kit. It is missing all the fairings, and that's basically the plastic body parts around the bike. And it also does need a new front brake reservoir and new front brake oil, and I'm gonna change out everything and inspect the entire bike. So it is gonna be a little bit rough, so when you see it, please don't be like turned off by it. It does need work, but I get for this price, impeccable. So yeah, I'm freaking out. I'm gonna put the camera down when he comes, pick it up, and talk to you guys again. Oh my gosh, I can hear it. Dude, tell me why I could hear that from all the way down there. It's fucking loud. Yeah, honestly, bro. How's it going? Hey. Yeah, so it needs all the fairings, but she runs nice. Do you have the title and everything?
Yeah, so want it inside?
Oh, I'll pull it in.
Okay.
But
yeah, when you turn it, when you want to lock it, just turn the wheel all the way, and then press the key all the way down.
Okay.
When you want to unlock it, just put the key in.
And then push, yeah. Is there a second key for it, or is only one?
Just that one.
Alright, awesome. Thank you. It's a beauty. Here's the whole bike. I got the whole registration and everything. That is crazy. You ready? Fist bump. Hey, no. Fist bump. Just do it. No. Just quick one. She is so scared for me driving this bike, but like, I'll be safe, of course. I read the entire,
you're gonna go fast.
I won't go fast. It's me. I go slow.
Why do you have to get a bike, Jim? I don't understand.
And I got a modified exhaust too, carbon fiber. But I think they're driving a Benz or a BMW. Yeah, so it is a little bit rough. It has some scratches, but that's just on the plastic. And then getting a new fairing kit, all the front, all the sides. The headlight's a little scratched up, so I might replace the entire headlight because I like having a clean headlight, like my LED ones in this car. And then it already has pegs and stuff, which is really cool in case I drop it. All right, I need to pull this into the garage for the night. And
You're gonna start it?
I can. Can you record it? My neighbors are absolutely gonna hate us.
Well, you don't have to make it loud.
Yeah, I could put a baffle in there. Okay, the engine on. Alright.
Oh my gosh. Jim, that's too loud.
It's not that loud.
It is really loud.
Alright. I gotta bring her in. So it's in neutral. So I'm gonna get on it. Oh. It's a heavy boy. Alright, the peg is up. Oh my gosh. This thing is so big. It's like a monster. Oh.
Jim, you are so crazy. I can't believe you're doing this. Why do you have to be this adventurous?
Because I'm a challenger. I'm a J fan. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to get used to carrying it. Okay. Gotta put the peg down. Look at this. Wait, grab me my helmet. Can you grab my helmet?
You kid. You.
How does it look?
The light is on, just so you know.
Yep. Hey. What's good? Okay. Oh, the registration fell out. Okay, guys. Here's the bike officially set. And I'm going to put the tripod down and start filming. And yeah. Guys, I I bought my first motorcycle. Oh my gosh. Oh. Like, woo. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is actually mine, guys. This is my motorcycle. Oh. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm on the edge of tearing up and crying right now. I mean, not to like over exaggerate, but I wanted a motorcycle for years. And these past couple months, like I've literally been grinding. Like you guys don't even know. I sold one of my favorite cameras. I took courses online. I read the entire manual. I was taking practice tests. It's so big too. I was thinking about getting like a Chinese bike, and good thing I did not get that. So, I got my first motorcycle, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a cinematic of it. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna hop on it a little bit more so I can get used to the feeling. I also bought an entire motorcycle security system I'm gonna be installing in a future video. And let me just show you guys something that I worked on, and this was like the main thing. I got my motorcycle endorsement permit. I had to go into the DMV. One day I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna get it because I knew I needed it, and I just walked into the DMV, took the test. I only got like 3 or 4 problems wrong. I mean, that's kind of a lot, but they were trick questions. I don't even think they're valid. But yeah, I took the test and I got my permit, and I have a motor. Legally, I can ride this. I do need to get the insurance and register it. Now I have all the paperwork. Oh my gosh. But I have my own motorcycle. And this thing is a 600 cc's. It is fast. Its horsepower is 115, I think, horsepower. Engine horsepower, not to the wheel. I might dyno it, but I don't really know if there's a place for it in my area. Its acceleration, I think 0 to 60 was like 3 something seconds or 4 seconds. I don't know, it's really fast. This bike is kind of heavy, and like, lifting this thing, I'm gonna have to start hitting the gym. I am very, very light, so this bike will accelerate very fast. This is my rear brake. Push down on this. Oh my gosh, guys, I got my first motorcycle. So yeah, the original color of this bike was blue, and they've just put on this plastic fairing back here, and this is a red color. I'm gonna order a plain white one, and then I might do some blue accents, and I'm also gonna sticker bomb it, so it's gonna look really, really nice. Or I might just get a blue colored one, I still don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get some Yamaha stickers all over this thing. There is a little dent here, but man, I revved it up just a little bit, and that thing purred. It was so loud. It's the front brake, it's missing its reservoir at the moment, so that's something important that it does need. I'm gonna be installing that and bleeding the brakes and making sure everything's set. And guys, I'm in high school right now. Like, this is crazy. The fact that I own this, I basically, I got it at a really great price, so I'm gonna be able to put some work into this, change it, make the price even more, so eventually I might be able to resell it for a lot more than I paid, or something like that. I don't really know. I'm not really planning on selling this bike. Hopefully I'll get later or bigger bikes and different bikes in the future, but this is definitely a great starter bike. It is 600 cc's. I was thinking about getting a 250 cc Chinese bike, and I was also looking at a Jigster 750, which might have been a little bit too fast and it was really rough. This one I got like bare bones, so I'm gonna be all new plastic fairings, the entire body of it. New reservoir cup. I might change up the tachometer and the display and everything, but my gosh, this thing is beautiful. Okay guys, roll that cinematic montage. Quite a few miles on it. It was racked up. So that is not entirely an important thing when you're looking at motorcycles. I did do quite a bit of research. What I am thinking about doing is replacing the locks and also replacing gas lock. This is gonna be so cool. If we get 100 likes, I will drive this thing to my high school. I think 100 likes is like Is that too much? Too little? This is my vlog channel, so I don't really know. But yeah, let's get one more good look at her. My baby, my precious. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you all on the flippity flop. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the next video. I'm super excited. We're going to be doing some more motorcycle stuff and maybe some vlog stuff. I don't really know. I love you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.